This is a video about the Numbers app on the iPad and how can you use the numbers. Well, of course, it is one of the Apple's built-in applications. So if you just get a brand new iPad, you should be able to find it installed. But even if you delete it, you can always just get it back from the App Store. So it's pretty simple. You can open it up and then just get the Numbers app again. But essentially, the Numbers is one of the Apple's productivity apps. So, just like you have in the Microsoft, you have the Microsoft Word, you have the spreadsheets or the Excel, and then you have the PowerPoint for presentations. Well, Apple has the same three types of software where they have Pages for the text editing, like the Word. Then you have the Numbers, which is like the Excel for spreadsheets. And then you also have the Slideshow by Apple, which is supposed to be the presentation and something like the PowerPoint, right? So the Numbers is the app for spreadsheets. So when you get inside of the app, you have some options. You can start a brand new spreadsheet or you can choose a template. Now, up to you. If you choose a brand new one, it's going to be empty. So you will need to work a lot, or it depends on what you want to achieve, but you can start a brand new spreadsheet, right? Like that. And you can organize it right into individual cells, selected something, add pictures or, insert something from the files, right? You can also add and choose graphs and choose the data to represent that graph. You can also change the cell colors and fonts and all of the things, right, that you are normally doing inside of the Excel or Google spreadsheets even, right? So this is how you can manage everything, right? It's pretty simple. You have the filtering and categories and sorting, so much stuff to go through. However, if you don't really know what's up or how you would begin, I encourage you to choose a template because there are so many different templates to go with, right? So you have a, table and charts, you have some personal finance, some personal calendars and tracking, you have some business, you have some education with already like prepared the, graphs and charts and everything. So you can also just click on see all, and there are so many of them available to pick and start using. So many different things to begin, right? It's very useful in that sense. So that's how you can basically use the Numbers. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, but you can also check out some other videos on this channel where I've been talking about this in the past, and I'll probably make some more videos about it in the future. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and therefore you will never miss anything important. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.